Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana. So in today's video, we have a Maths Olympiad question where we are given that a square minus 17a is equal to 16 under root a, right? So here we need to find out the value of this thing, not a. We need to find out the value of a minus under root a and the square root of this thing, right? So we first need to observe this question. If we look here, this is 17 and we know that 17 is 1 more than 16. So there must be some reason to give this, right? Now we'll try to break it, okay? So we have a square minus, I will write 17 as a plus 16a, right? So I can take this 16 to the right hand side, okay? Let's see what do we get. I will open the bracket and we get this, right? Now I will take this 16a to the right hand side. We get a square minus a is equal to 16 under root a plus 16a, right? So here I can take a common. I get a minus 1, right? Here I can take 16a common, right? Or I will take 16 under root a common. I will get 1 plus under root a, right? Okay, so here I have a times a minus 1. What will I do here now? So I can cancel out the things. This a can be written as under root a times under root a, right? So it can cancel out with this. So we are left with under root a. Now if you know what is a minus 1, a minus 1 can be written as under root a square minus 1 square. And if you apply the identity a square minus b square, this is under root a plus 1 and under root a minus 1. So I will break it further. This is under root a plus 1 and under root a minus 1. Here we have 1 plus under root a. If we look at this, we can cancel out this term. So we are left with under root a minus 1 is equal to 16. So then it will become a minus under root a is equal to 16, right? Now we have got the value of a minus under root a, right? But we are supposed to find the value of under root of a minus under root a. So if we take the square root, we get the 4. And here it is mentioned a belongs to r plus. You need to take that a is positive. If they don't mention, you can take this as plus minus 4, okay? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to solve maths riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.